Hello everybody, welcome to One to Step YouTube channel, and in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can log out from every device your Google account is logged into. So it's pretty simple, so you guys can watch this video until the end without skipping, so you guys don't get confused on how you guys can log out your Google account from every single device it is logged into. So yeah, and it's a pretty best way to check which device your Google account is currently logged into as well. So before I show you the steps, be sure to hit that like and subscribe to our channel so you guys can get notified for future tutorial videos just like this, because we post content like this on our channel. So first thing, you want to go to your Chrome, and after you go to your Chrome, you want to log in into your Google account in which you want to log out from every device. After you log in into your Google account, you can see your Google account's profile picture over here. You can click on it. After you click on it, you can click on where it says manage your Google account. You can click on it. After you click on manage your Google account, you're going to come to your Google setting page, and after you're over here, you want to click on where it says security. After you're in security, you want to scroll down until you see your devices. And as you guys can see on my your devices, it's going to show you all the devices your Google is logged into right now. So after you come over here, you want to click on where it says manage devices. After you're in manage devices, it's going to show you all the devices in which your Google is currently logged. So you want to click on these three dots over here and click on sign out. What this is going to do is this is going to log out your Google from this device. I can click on this and click on sign out, click on sign out. And as you guys can see, it's going to show you this. Click on OK. And as you guys can see, I have signed out from that device. Now you can do this for every device you see in this list. Just click on the three dot, click on sign out and do the step which I just did. And it's going to log you out of all the devices. So you have to do that for each devices over here individually, because there's not a single button you can click and log out from every devices. So yeah, that's basically how you guys can log out from every device your Google is signed into. So that's basically it. So if you guys found this video helpful, then be sure to hit that like and subscribe button to our YouTube channel so you guys can get notified for future video. And I will see you guys in my next video. Until then, stay tuned to our channel One to Step. Bye bye.